Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Keerai paruppu or dhal palak is a healthy dish made mainly with lentils and spinach. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Soak 2 cups of Toor dal for 30 minutes. In a pressure cooker or vessel, add the soaked Toor dal or lentils. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped tomato, 5 chopped garlic cloves, 1 cup of finely chopped spinach leaves or keerai, required salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder, add required water and cook well till the lentils are soft. For tempering or tadka, in a pan add little oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add a pinch of mustard seeds, few curry leaves, 4 dried red chillies, one chopped onion, saute till the onion turns golden brown. Add the cooked lentils and mix well. Add little salt. Add 3 tablespoons ghee and stir well. Delicious and healthy keerai paruppu is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.